Imagine a force, invisible, untouchable, and yet holding the entire universe together. Scientists estimate that 85% of the matter in the cosmos is completely invisible to us. It doesn't emit light, it doesn't reflect it, and it doesn't interact with any of our instruments. We call it dark matter. But truthfully, that name barely scratches the surface of its mystery. If dark matter didn't exist, galaxies would spin apart like leaves in a storm. Stars wouldn't cluster, planets wouldn't form. Life, as we know it, would never emerge. In fact, the entire cosmos would be a thin, cold mist of scattered atoms, drifting forever. Let that sink in. Everything we see, from majestic galaxies to our own bodies, is just 15% of the universe. The rest? A ghostly presence that shapes everything but refuses to be seen. This is not science fiction. This is physics, and it's terrifying. We've built enormous detectors deep underground, shielded by mountains, to search for the faintest whisper of dark matter. We've looked in space, in particle accelerators, in ancient stardust, and yet, nothing. It's like trying to catch a shadow with your bare hands. But what if dark matter isn't just out there? What if it's something more sinister? Some physicists believe dark matter may be a signal from a hidden realm of the universe, a dark sector with its own particles, its own forces, even its own galaxies. A mirror cosmos, ghosting our own, only interacting through the gravitational echo we feel in the stars. Others suggest something more radical. What if dark matter is a sign of higher dimensional physics, like strings vibrating in multiple dimensions beyond our own? What if we are only seeing the shadow of real phenomena unfolding in realms we cannot perceive? This idea breaks the limits of our imagination, and yet the math supports it. And dark matter isn't the only ghost we chase. There's something even more elusive, something that doesn't just shape the universe, it drives its expansion. We call it dark energy. In the late 1990s, scientists discovered that the universe isn't just expanding, it's accelerating. Galaxies are being pushed away faster and faster, like they're riding on an invisible tide. But what's fueling this runaway expansion? Dark energy. It makes up nearly 70% of the entire cosmos. Combined with dark matter, that means 95% of the universe is made of stuff we can't even see. We live in a universe where the known, all the stars, planets, and life, is just a glowing speck in a sea of darkness. So how do we live in such a universe and still understand our place within it? Some see it as humbling. Others see it as exhilarating. Because in the face of the unknown, we do what humans do best. We explore. We ask questions. We build instruments. We invent mathematics to describe what our eyes cannot see. We listen to the gravitational hum of the cosmos, hoping to catch a glimpse of its invisible soul. And maybe, just maybe, dark matter and dark energy are not our enemies. Maybe they are the next great adventure, the next frontier, the whisper of truths that could redefine everything we believe about existence. The universe, it turns out, isn't just darker than we imagined. It's stranger. And the more we learn, the more we realize we've only just begun.